Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to study BD Chaurasia Anatomy step by step. This guide will help you navigate this comprehensive textbook efficiently. We'll cover strategies to maximize your learning, ensuring you grasp complex anatomical concepts. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation and excel in your anatomy studies. Let's dive right in and make your study sessions more productive. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout. Each chapter typically begins with an overview, followed by detailed descriptions of bones, muscles, nerves, and vessels. Don't skip the clinical anatomy sections. They provide crucial context and real-world application. Spend ample time on the diagrams. They are invaluable for visualizing three-dimensional structures. Active reading, where you highlight and make notes, significantly improves comprehension and retention. Next, engage in active learning. Drawing anatomical structures yourself, even simple sketches, deeply embeds the information. Create mnemonics and flashcards for those challenging names and pathways. They are excellent memory aids. Explaining concepts to a study partner can reveal gaps in your understanding. Always connect what you are learning to its physiological function and potential clinical relevance, making the information more meaningful and easier to recall. Finally, consistent review and application are key. Schedule regular review sessions to revisit older material, reinforcing your memory. Test your knowledge with practice questions to pinpoint areas requiring more attention. Whenever possible, supplement your reading with practical sessions using anatomical models or cadaveric dissections. This provides invaluable three-dimensional understanding. Strive to integrate knowledge across different body regions, building a holistic view of human anatomy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.